How to install live wallpapers from the Razer phone, the Black Shark phone, and the Oppo Find X2 Pro on your MIUI 11 device without having to root it. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install live wallpapers from the Razer phone, the Oppo Find X2 Pro, and the Black Shark phone on your MIUI 11 device without having to root it. As you can see, I do have the Redmi K20 Pro running MIUI 11.0.4.0 based on Android 10, and the only prerequisite for this video is that make sure you have updated your themes and gallery application if you have an update available for them. What are the files which we need? You need only one file, which is linked in the description of the video, and this is the file which we are looking for. It is named Razer B-Shark Find X2 Pro.zip. Once you have downloaded the file, open your file manager, go into more, go into archives, look for the file, tap on it. It will give you an option to extract it. Tap on extract files to, and now you can select where you want to extract the files. I'll just say extract, which will create a folder in my SD card, and this is the folder which we are looking for. You can ignore the Mac OS X folder. Next thing, go back to the home screen, and then we'll go into settings and themes and my page. Go into wallpapers, my live wallpapers, click on the plus sign, and then we will select the file manager application. And now you need to navigate to the folder where you have extracted the wallpapers. So in my case, I'll go inside the folder, select the file. Do note you cannot select all of them at the same time, so you'll have to repeat the process for all of them. Make sure one of them is checked, click on OK, and here it is. This is our wallpaper. Click on apply, set both. Home screen, bam, working like a boss. Lock screen, working like a boss as well. And similarly, just repeat the process for the other two wallpapers as well, and then you can use those wallpapers. Another way of setting these wallpapers is tap on the gallery application or open the gallery application, go into albums. It should show you the folder which we just created. Tap on the folder, and now you can select any of them. So let's try the Find X2 Pro one, and then click on the three dot menu on the bottom right, set video wallpaper, click on apply, set both, home button. There it is, working like a boss on the home screen and working like a boss on the lock screen as well. So there it is peeps, that is how you set up or install live wallpapers from the Oppo Find X2 Pro, Razer phone, and the Black Shark phone on your MIUI 11 device without having to root it. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.